Audio Jungle.
This is High Tech News TV News. The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu Thru M.K. Stalin inaugurated the 17th edition of Fairbro 2025, the city's most prestigious real estate exhibition organized by the Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India, Chennai at the Trade Center New Building. Thru P.K. Sekhar Babu, Honorable Minister of Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments and CMDA, along with other key dignitaries from the Government of Tamil Nadu. During the inaugural ceremony, the Honorable Chief Minister also unveiled Super Chennai, a visionary initiative by Credit Chennai. Fairbro 2025 brings together leading Credit Chennai developers, offering home buyers a one-stop destination to explore over 500 projects spanning 32.5 million square feet residential space, 0.25 million square feet of commercial space, and 32.5 acres of platted developments. The event highlights the surging demand for premium apartments, villas, plots, and commercial spaces. Speaking on the occasion, National Credit South Zone Vice President Mr. Sridharan emphasized with infrastructure development and metro expansion boosting property values. After that, Credit President Mr. A. Mohammad Ali said, Chennai real estate market is undergoing a significant transformation fueled by the infrastructure growth and increasing investor confidence. Fairbro 2025 advisor Mr. S. Sivakurinathan added Fairbro has remained Chennai's most trusted property exhibition for the past 16 years. Fairbro 2025 convener Mr. P. Krithivas stated, with Chennai witnessing rapid urban development, Fairbro 2025 stands as a symbol of collaboration between developers, financial institutions, and home buyers, ensuring a seamless and rewarding experience for